Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best straight tweets 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called lib Miro press. Save library for my tweets preferences. This is called transback. Transback will allow you to see your springboard through your lock screen and return to the control center transparent. This is called translo. It's a lifesaver translate tweak. So a translate tweet that can make your life easy when chatting with foreigners. Lets you chat in any language you want with ease and without going back and forth between translating apps or hitting extra buttons. Supports these apps right here. Supports iOS 12, 13, and 14, and 100% free. This is called Sphere. Multitasking at its best. So it allows you to run your recent apps on top of others by creating little bubbles, which is after an app launch, on which you can tap to reveal the corresponding app in the form of an overlay that takes 80% of your screen, helping you with your day-to-day productivity. This is called Strict U for YouTube. It requires YouTube app from the App Store, and it's basically YouTube++ alternative. You can save videos up to 4K resolution. Save videos audio only, set default download quality, manage and share downloads to any app, import downloads to music or videos, play YouTube videos using picture-in-picture, set default video quality on Wi-Fi, set default player quality on 3G or 4G, block all advertisements, enable background playback, and play in high quality on mobile data. This is called Panic Lock, and strictly protect your device with Panic Lock. This tweet is called Notations, the sticky notes experience for iOS. This is called Voice Changer ets. And what this tweet does, it changes your voice during a call. So also, I think, you have Siri on this too, so you can literally change your voice to Siri and troll people on phone calls. This is called Glow. Finally here, let's let your lock screen glow. So you have all these features right here. That's what it looks like. This is called Audio Recorder ets, the most advanced iOS call recorder. So you can record phone calls. Supports iOS 12 and 13. So also support iOS 14. I'm just using apps, like calls. Apps that have the call kit service, like telephony, FaceTime, Skype, Viber, Messenger. You can also record the system audio and you record your voice, like what you hear, and the system audio. And your voice. So pretty cool. So I could literally just be on the home screen of my device and just start recording my voice, or it could be like an app or a game, and I could also record the game, like the sound of the game or the sound I hear from the app. So pretty cool. I use this actually if you want to screen record Skype. You can't do that there's no way you can do it. There's no tweets that allow you to screen record the audio of Skype or FaceTime. Those kind of apps, and screen record the screen at the same time. So what I do is I screen record a screen on my default iOS screen recorder, and I use Audio Recorder ets to record the audio. So I basically put them together, and then I can actually I'll have the screen and I'll have the audio of me and another person talking. So that's the only way you can get around. I actually made a video on it, but this is the only way you guys can get around with screen recording and the getting the screen and the audio when you screen record Skype or FaceTime. So just a heads up. And it does support iOS 14.net as well. This is called Smart Volume Mixer 2 and brings independent volume controls to your iDevice system like you've never seen before. So you can actually control different styles of the volume for your apps, system volume or system audio, and etc. So pretty cool. And this is called Smart Volume Control 3 and brings 11 different volume HUD replacements. So pretty cool. And this is called Secret Shot, block Snapchat screenshot and screen recording detection. So you can screenshot on Snapchat without someone knowing, and also you won't get banned as well and take screenshots as well. So there isn't actually an app. There's a tweak. It's actually called it's actually a tweak that allows you to screen record, without, and you could put it as other apps so they can't detect you. So, but for screenshot wise, you can also use a tweak called I forgot the name of it, but you could crop your screenshots, and then you also can screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. But for screen recording, you do have to use that other tweak. You can also use a tweak called AntRec and screen record using that tweak, because Snapchat only detects if you're screen recording if you're using the iOS screen recording function, where you pull down the control center and use that. But you can actually technically use those other two methods. And this is called a Nico or Neko, and set video as your wallpaper. And this is called Loon, and let a moon icon appear while Do Not Disturb is enabled. This is called Butterfly, little colors flying around everywhere. Change the colors of your cursor, highlight color, scroll indicator, and status bar pill. This is called Lisa, customize your lock screen experience. Next tweet is called dress up your lock screen, so customize your lock screen with one tweak instead of needing multiple ones. Next tweet is called splash ad block, remove the application, start page ads. Next tweet is called mete or meet, compatible with iOS 11 to 14, brings up to when you custom choose slow or fast speed effects, animation when closing or opening applications and the switcher. So you see, fits the animation issue at first respring and preferences after the installation are enabled. Even more code cleans and enhancements. This is called Jailbreak, and it will animate your incoming notifications, pin them with badges, and add precious features for iOS 13 and 14. This is called deficient tweets for YouTube with over 60 plus tweets to choose from. This is called audio mix, tweak to play 2 or more audio sources simultaneously, which doesn't work well with all apps. Sometimes the first audio still gets paused, so you have to start it again. This is called GIF to any v2, iOS respring animations from any GIF or GIF you want. And last tweet is called installer 5.1 beta, fastest package manager for iOS. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.